Detailed step-by-step guide to setting up Google Remote Desktop on the computer you want to access remotely. Install Google Chrome. If you haven't already, download and install Google Chrome on the computer you want to access remotely. Accessing your computer remotely from another device, computer or mobile. On the device you want to use to access the remote computer, ensure it's the latest version. Open Google Chrome. Add Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Open Google Chrome. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on Add to Chrome for the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Open Chrome Remote Desktop. Click on the Chrome Remote Desktop icon that appears in the top right corner of the browser. Authorize and enable remote connections. You might be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If so, do that. Sign in with the same Google account used on the remote computer. Follow the instructions to download the Chrome Remote Desktop Host installer. Go to the Chrome Remote Desktop website, remotedesktop.google.com/access. Run the installer and follow the setup instructions to install the host. Set up PIN for remote access. After installation, the remote desktop host will open. Set up a PIN code for remote access. This PIN will be used to connect remotely. Enter the PIN code you set earlier to start the connection. Access the remote computer. You'll see your computer listed under Remote Devices. Click on it. Remote Control. Once connected, you'll have control over your remote computer. Use the interface to interact with the remote computer as if you were physically present. Remember, both the remote computer and the device you're using to access it must be connected to the internet. Ensure the remote computer stays powered on and connected to the internet for successful remote access. You can perform various actions as if you were physically present at that computer. Here are the primary actions you can take. Access files and applications. Navigate through the remote computer's file system and open applications installed on that machine. Manage files, edit, delete, copy, and transfer files between folders on the remote computer. Run software and programs. Launch and use software or programs installed on the remote computer just as you would on your local device. Configure settings, adjust system settings, change preferences, and modify configurations on the remote computer. Collaboration. Collaborate in real time with others on projects or tasks that involve the remote computer. The capabilities depend on the permissions granted and the user's access level on the remote computer. Google Remote Desktop essentially grants you full control over the remote system, enabling a seamless user experience regardless of your physical location.